9 ICT Lesson 2 Electronic Spreadsheets. This is the first video related to this lesson. So, before moving to today's video, please subscribe Teacher's channel and also share these videos with your friends. Right. Okay, here first we are going to discuss spreadsheets and electronic spreadsheets. Spreadsheet means an electronic version of an paper-based accounting sheets used by accountants in the past. Right, in the past, accountants used papers to do their works, and the electronic versions of the paper is known as spreadsheet. Then, what about electronic spreadsheet? It's not just an electronic version, right? It is an interactive computer application for organization, analysis and storage of data in tabular form. Right? It's not just an electronic version, but it's an interactive computer application for what? Organization, analysis and storage of data in a tabular form. Right. Now we are going to learn what are the advantages of electronic spreadsheet. First one, data organization. First one, data organization helps structure and store data in row and columns for easy access and management. Yeah, we can organize data. There are columns, rows, then we can easily access and manage. Then automatic calculations. Performs arithmetic operations using formulas and functions, reducing manual calculations. So in this lesson, we have to learn about functions and formulas. Because of these functions and formulas, we can do automatic calculations. Next one, data analysis and visualization. Provide tools like charts, graphs, and pivot tables to analyze data efficiently. Yeah, we can analyze data and also we can make a visual format. We can show it how we can use charts, graphs, and pivot tables. Next, collaboration and sharing. Cloud-based spreadsheets such as Google Sheets enable real-time collaborations and sharing. Yes, sometimes we are in the different places, different geographical places. But if we use cloud-based spreadsheet like Google Sheet, yes, we can collaboratively use that sheet, right? Next one, data sorting and filtering. Yes, we have to learn about data sorting and filtering in this lesson. Makes it easy to arrange and filter large data set based on some condition. Right? Next one, error reduction. Yes, reduce human errors through validation rules, formulas and error checking rules. Right, these are the advantages of electronic spreadsheets. Now we are going to learn what are the examples of electronic spreadsheets. There are a lot of electronic spreadsheet applications available in the market. Let's see: Microsoft Excel, Google Sheet, Apple Numbers, LibreOffice Calc, OpenOffice Calc, WPS Office Spreadsheet, Smart Sheet. Right, when you search through internet, you can make a huge list of examples. Here, as your grade 9 students, according to our syllabus, we are going to learn about Microsoft Excel spreadsheet application. Right. So, first of all, we need to know how to open it. So before that, you need to install the software in your computer. Right? If you are working with the mobile phone, you can download Excel app Excel mobile app to your smartphone. Then you can work with the mobile app. Right. So, if you are working with the computer, how to open it? Yes, as usual, we can go to search bar and search Excel. Then you can find the software, then click on it. Right? When you click on it, you can open. Right. So this is a very easy one, right? Okay. Here you can see the interface of MS Excel. There's a menu bar and there are some text formatting tools, sheets, alignment and positioning tools, and uh, some common tools also. So at the beginning of this lesson, we need to talk about the interface. Right. Yes. Let's discuss about common tools available in Microsoft Excel. Not only Microsoft Excel. In many applications, in many softwares, we can see these common tools. Right? Let's discuss. First one, new. Why we use it? We used to open new workbook. We used to open new workbook. Right? So, now you don't know about workbook. You don't know the word workbook, right? So workbook is a special word we use in Microsoft Excel. Right? Let's discuss it in our next video series, right? Okay, new. We can use shortcut key Control N to open new workbook, right? Like we did when we use Microsoft Word. Then open. To open any saved document, we can use open. Keyboard shortcut key Control plus O. And how to save any Excel sheet? We can use this save icon, save command tools, and also we can use Control plus S. Then print and print preview, right? Print and print preview. So if you want to take a print of the Excel sheet, Excel workbook, Excel worksheet, then we can use this option. And next, undo, redo, copy paste, cut paste and spell check. Undo. We can cancel any perform action. Redo. To do any undo action again. Copy. To copy letters, numbers, images. Then we can paste it. What we have to do, we have to select any cell and paste. Cut. To remove an item from current location. Then we can check the spellings in the worksheet. Right. Okay. Now let's open Microsoft Excel and let's see these common tools that are available in Microsoft Excel interface. Let's open Microsoft Excel. So go to search bar and search as Excel. Right? When you search as Excel, you can find the software. If it is available in your computer, yes, click on it to open. Right. Yes, now Excel is running in my computer. Yes, from here, what you have to do, you have to select a blank workbook. Workbook, right? Blank workbook. Right. Yes, this is Microsoft Excel interface. Here you can see File tab, Home tab, Insert, Page layout, Formulas, Data, Review and View tabs, right? Formula, Data, Review and View tab, right? Yes, when we click on Home button, you can see the font formatting tools, alignment and positioning tools, and numbering, and some unique tools for Microsoft Excel. When we click on File, then you can see the common tools, New. Right? By clicking this new option, we can open new workbook. And when we click on Open button, we can open an existing Excel document. We can open an Excel workbook. Right? We can open an Excel workbook that's already exist in my computer. Then we can save our current workbook and we can save when we use the save as option, we can save our Excel sheet in some different formats and we can print. Right. Then let's see, here we can use the cut copy options, right? So let's see, I want to type number here, right? So you can select it first, then copy, then go to anywhere and paste. Right. To paste, you can use right click and then paste option, else you can use this icon, paste icon, and also if not, you can use Control plus V, right? To copy, you can use this option, this icon, else you can select the number, text or image, right click and use the copy. If not, you can use Control plus C. You can use Control plus C. Right. To cut anything, right? To cut anything, we can use cut option, cut icon, else Control plus X. Control plus X. Right? Then right click, use the cut option, or you can use the cut icon and also you can use Control plus X. When we click on it, now we removed it from original location. Then we want to paste it somewhere. Then select a cell to paste your text. Then we can use the paste. Else you can use Control plus V. If not, the next method is you can right click and use the copy option. Right. And next thing, yes, we can use redo undo option, right? Redo undo, right? To undo anything, we can use Control plus Z. Control plus Z. To redo something, we can use Control plus Y. Control plus Y. Right. I'm going to undo my changes, right? Then I can redo it again. Undo, redo. Undo, again undo, again undo. Yes, I can redo it again. Redo, redo. Right. Yes, now you know about redo, undo. And also we can yes, we can check the spellings. To check the spellings, click on Review tab and go to Spell Checking, right? And the shortcut key is F7, right? F7. Okay, this is all about common tools in Microsoft Office Excel, and also we discuss how to open Microsoft Excel. Yes, now you have a little understand about Microsoft Office Excel interface. So, in the next part of this lesson, we will learn how to do text formatting, positioning and alignment, and some unique features in Microsoft Office Excel. So, thank you for watching this video. If this video is useful for you, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to put a comment below. Let's meet again with a new video. Goodbye, all of you.